Assalamu alaikum. I am Nazir Abdullayan from class 2. Today I am going to tell about what is madrasa. What is importance of madrasa? Madrasa is a place where Muslim guideline how to talk, how to communicate, how to behave, how to recite Holy Quran, how to perform prayer of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and many other things. We have two type education in our society. Number one is Islamic education and the other hand is academic education. Now, what's the difference between these two? So first of all, academic education. In academic education, we bright our present and we bright our future. But in Islamic education, we bright our present, we bright our past, and we bright our future, and we bright our akhirah. So I want to tell you, respect the madrasa, respect the teachers who teaches us in madrasa, and do what you can do in madrasa. So that was all about my topic. Thank you. Jazakallahu khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.